Looking for a simple, reliable way to access all your 2, 5 and 3, 5-inch SATA drives? This USB 3.0 docking station delivers fast, hassle-free connectivity that's perfect for quick backups, data transfers, or cloning your drives. With transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, it's up to 10 times faster than traditional USB 2.0 connections, making your work smoother and more efficient. I waited years to get one of these, and now I wish I hadn't. Whether you're revisiting old SATA drives or expanding your desktop storage, this docking station makes the process seamless. It supports UASP for even faster performance when paired with a compatible system, and the hot-swappable design means you can plug and play without any drivers. Plus, the included Acronis True Image software lets you clone your drives with ease, so you can back up or migrate data without a headache. What you get is a durable, user-friendly tool with an on-off power switch and LED indicators for power and activity status. It's backward compatible with USB 1.1 and 2.0, so it fits into your existing setup effortlessly. If you're ready to simplify how you manage your SATA drives, this docking station is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to speed up your workflow and protect your data with confidence.